Welcome to the Vlogmas Day 2. So this season is all about making delicious recipe that resonates well with Christmas, and this coconut rice and chicken sure does it. Welcome to the Sumptuous side of YouTube. My name is Teresa Metuka and you're highly welcome to my channel today. So the first thing you want to do is to get ready your chicken. So my chicken has already been washed. So the next thing I want to do is to season it. I season my chicken with onions, garlic, ginger, seasoning cube, thyme, curry, coriander, and sage. Mix up together properly and place this on fire. Please do not add water to the chicken. Allow the chicken to extract its own stock. And if you're using fresh chicken, you might not even need to add any water. Most times the stock from the chicken is enough to cook the chicken. And even at times, even frozen chicken too can also cook itself with its own stock. So please make sure you check before adding water. So if the water won't be enough to cook the chicken, then add water and then cook the chicken until soft. So the next thing you want to do is to remove the chicken and then place this in a sieve in order for the liquid to remove, and then fry this in hot oil until golden brown. So the next thing is to get ready the coconut milk. This is a very simple hack to crack your coconut. So place the coconut on fire and move around at interval. The coconut will crack, then wash up and break with any object, and the shell will fall off easily. This hack works so well, especially with Nigerian coconut. Our coconut a bit hard, but this hack works very well. Try it out and let me know at the comment section if it worked out for you. If you're coming across the channel for the first time, thanks for stopping by. This is the Christmas season, so it's all about making festive, delicious recipe that you're going to love. So do not forget to hit on the subscribe button, turn on your post notification to get notified when I drop new videos. So I'll be uploading, and I've started uploading from the 1st of December to the 25th of December. Yummy Christmas recipe. There are so many, to drinks, to pastries, to cake, to delicious food recipes. So you don't want to mix that. So click on the post notification bell icon, that's the bell icon, to get notified when I drop new videos. So most time I'll be uploading this video by 5:30 p.m. Nigeria time, but it can change due to network issue. But each day there will be an uploaded video, so please do well to watch this delicious recipe and share with your friends as well. To chop up into bits and place in a blender and blend this smoothly. Pour into a strainer and squeeze out the milk. The next is to get ready some pepper and bell pepper. You can decide to chop this up or blend this roughly. So in my chopping board, I have Scotch bonnet pepper, red and green bell peppers, and tomato. So I was using my hand to cut the Scotch bonnet pepper because mostly it doesn't hurt me, but please do not do what I'm doing because this is very hot and your hands will be burning. So get your gloves to do that. What I usually do, I just wash my hands immediately with sponge and soap, and that's it, and I don't feel any hotness. But Heat up some oil. Saute garlic, ginger, and onions. Add in tomato paste. Fry for a minute in order for the color to pop. Then add in the tomato, bell pepper, and pepper. Cook this for 2 minutes. Add in spices. I use salt, seasoning cube, oregano, curry, and coriander. The next is to add in washed rice. The rice I'm making use of is basmati rice, but you can decide to use any rice of your choice. Add the coconut milk. Chicken stock. Mix up together. Add water. Please be careful when you're adding the coconut milk, because if you go overboard with it, it's going to affect the texture of your rice and your rice will become mushy. So do not add too much coconut milk. And also for the water, add enough that can cook the rice, or you can just add the water in bits. You just keep checking the rice if it's cooked and add water in bits. Do not go overboard so you don't end up with soggy rice. Cover up and cook the rice until it is soft. Mix up together well. Add the fried chicken and garnish with some spring onions, and your delicious rice is ready. This rice screams festivity. It is so yummy and delicious, and as you can see, it's so easy to make. So you can make this rice for your family, yourself, and your friend this Christmas season. Do not forget to tune in tomorrow for some delicious recipes. So thanks for watching. Do enjoy this holiday season. Bye for now. Catch you tomorrow. Lots of kisses.